Are you waiting for the right time and the right opportunities to knock your door? If yes, please understand that there is no right time or wrong time in our lives because time is precious, time is ticking. More importantly, time is totally irreversible. We cannot get it back. If you ask me, every moment is the right time. Every moment is an opportunity to do whatever the things we want to do, whatever the things that we want to achieve in our lives. So please do not procrastinate the things that you want to do, the things that you want to achieve with the excuse of waiting for the right time, waiting for the right opportunities. Who knows what is the right time? Make the time right and do whatever the things you want to do in your life, whatever the things you want to achieve in your life, career, business, and relationships. Remember, regrets are more painful than failures. Thank you for watching this video. Wishing you all the best.